I am Harish. I am from XLP College, Mangalore, Karnataka. I'm working from past 2 years. I'm connecting with SOF Foundation. It's nice experience, ma'am. So it's a very beautiful opportunity for us and even student as well. So SOF providing all information on time and a very nice response from SOF Foundation. SOF Foundation will develop some scientific knowledge with the students, and they will promote some research activities. So that is useful for students and teacher as well. We will who are interested, so showing much interest in SOF, we will provide MTG material for those students. That will so major benefit for students. Totally MTG that will cover all the syllabus. So whatever SOF exam related syllabus, that is different from other books. So according to my knowledge from past 2 years, so in case of students, from the students' favor side, MTG book is best, madam. That is best book. So previous year question with the solutions, that is best. So I suggest all the faculties use MTG material.